Labas pa tayo, Knight.
Hindi, okay lang. Sige lang.
Dumadami sila.
Sabayan sa engage natin
Ready, your wish now. There is now, west side. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Inside of us now. Inside of us. Tapos now. Kite northeast now. Kite. Heal in front. Nice one.
Engage.
Ilang percent yung gate? Check nyo yung gate ha, baka mamaya basag na.
80%.
Okay. Repair. Everyone west side again.
Puro melee sila ata, mostly melee ha.
West side. 5, 4, just wait. It's a fake. Oh, it's a fake. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this shit. Ready, southwest side. 3, 2, 1. No. Drop it now. Nice fucking one. Okay, it's okay. Cancel them. Come on. Can you repair the wall? Ready, Dervies now, tell me. Dervies.
Kahit sa W ko mag-engage blank.
Okay now, inside.
Hindi na makita.
Now, on blank nose now. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rapis now, come on. Rapis. Nice one. Careful. Run. Defend. Nice one. Careful now. Wala pa, hindi pa basag yan. Hindi pa akit yan. Careful. Okay. Careful. Okay, ready. West side, ready.
Yung Honbu, pupunta rin, sama rin yata nila.
Ready.
Kanila.
Oy, wag mo trash talk. Don't trash talk.
Aga, boss.
Don't trash talk.
Aga, boss.
Dami mo.
Sino?
Boss, mali yan, boss. Mali, boss.
Defend. No, west side. Careful. West side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, inside. Come on, rapis. Careful lang, run. Careful.
9 minutes.
It's okay. Okay, everyone.
Ingat sa gate.
Everyone, mount up. Ay, out north. Ano ba? Basag na ba?
Hindi pa.
Pa-check na.
Tigal pa.
Everyone, ready, west side. Come on. Careful.
Masyado malapit sa wall. Baka mabang kayo over the wall.
West side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rapis now. Rapis. Nice one. Out. Careful, basag na. Everyone, out. Wala, basag na. Out. Mount up. Up. We go up now. Up now.
Mga nag-OC na.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 minutes, sige. Just 7. Everyone, come here. Huwag na kayo dyan doon. Please lang, huwag na kayo dyan.
Yung isa natin.
Everyone.
Level 13 disarray sila.
Paano?
Tayo wala.
Sa kayo wala.
Tagal pa gago.
Party.
Basag na yung gate, hindi pa pala.
Okay na, pre, mag-engage na kagad yan. Auto, wag na, please. Ma-pick off na kayo. Everyone, hug this fucking wall. Hug this.
Huwag lang kayo magpakita sa wall guys. Bomb over kayo dyan. Kahit melee yan, tangin na may range pa din yun.
Ano, hindi ko kasi yung health eh.
Di gago, dapat kasi sinasabi ng D-tank na nagpupukpok.
Si Luwas wala
Basag
ba?
na.
Back. Wow, west side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. West side, drop. Nice one. Let's go, keep going.
Hindi yun na.
Right,
Yun
run out. Out. Defend. Ang ina, maingas. Ano na?
Kunin niyo ako katawan. Grave, wala. Yung weapon mo basag pre. Alien jacket, graveyard boots lang.
7 minutes.
West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rapis now. Rapis. May DPS.
Gun na yan
Bukas ako dito, Chelsea. Kaya mo.
7 minutes.
Can you repair the wall? Please.
Paano ba rin
Full defend.
Ituloy nyo lang.
Ito. Basta pito.
Eh, puta, open pala yan. Gago.
West
Walang wall
side.
yan.
Ready. After the guard run. Everyone west side. Nice one. Nice stack. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now west. Rapis. West. Come on. Kite.
May guards dun.
Ganda ng pwesto mo, Pedro. Nakatingin lang sa atin.
Pasok ko lang sa loob.
Ilang percent pa? Check nyo nga.
Hindi ko alam kung paano makita. Ayun yung
Saglit mo nang tala.
Yes.
Repair nyo lang.
Ano ba rin na-repair yan?
Ipindot nga lang pag may siege hammer ka. Basta may siege hammer ka dala.
Parang
Yes, side.
sa...
Ano dapat DPS kit, ano? Classic.
Wala akong dala eh. Isa lang kanina.
6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Everyone, east, kite, east, kite, east, to kite, east, kite, east, like east.
Dito kaya.
Everyone, east, di. Sige.
Basag.
Come on, east, go east. Serelak, where are you? Good. Come on, kite east. Come on, just hug the east side. We have
Una
the...
ka mag-catch doon ha. Una ka mag-catch. Delay lang natin to.
Wag.
Pwede lang i-delay.
Okay,
Ingat
everyone.
kayo dyan, ha?
Pumasok. Pag pumasok.
Ingat kayo.
Careful now. They're looking now. Careful.
Bukusan ba yun? Hindi.
Para...
Careful, 5
Pwede
minutes.
nabubuksan to 0.
Careful. No, kite. Defend. Nice now. West now. 5. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone east now. Everyone east. We have the mage. Everyone, use the mage. We're gonna def now. Everyone east. Classic. Hello, classic. East. Hold the shit, boys. Sige. Sakit yung mage.
Ayun, napapatay na ng mage.
Everyone, hold east. Everyone east. DPS, you're too fucking front. Everyone east now. Everyone east. Come to the east.
Zero. Baka zero.
Well, lalaki.
Zero.
Ayun lang.
Si...
Just hold the east now. Careful, they're gonna look. Hold the fucking east. 4 minutes.
Nakikidnap sila.
Careful.
Looking.
Okay, they're gonna look. Everyone hold the east side now. Ready? Can you hold the fucking choke? Okay, now after that, they're gonna look now. Careful.
Looking.
Okay, now everyone west now. Ready, west side.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, just hold the east side. Hold east side now. Hold east side. Defend. Now, west now. Everyone walk west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Come on. Drop east. Careful, east now. Hold east again. Defensive. Everyone, spots. Nice. Spots. Nice one. Come on. Delay them. West now, ready. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now, drop east.
Oh my god! Nice.
Okay, run east side. Defend. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Putang ina nyo kasi. Ano ba yan? Ba't ba kayong bobobo nyo? Putang ina nyo. Defend. Putang ina, pre. Throw kayo, pre. Legit. You're fucking throws. Legit. Hello?
Nangyari.
Throw kayo.
Nag-natural clamp.
Ano ba kasi? Ba't ba kayo forget? Low health, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kasi nag-ano kayo? Oh my god. Pangit. Ang ina kasi napaka-greedy nyo. Putang ina nyo. Defend. Careful. Defend. Oh my god, bro. Tang ina, pre. Legit. Tang ina. Throw nyo. Sobra. Legit. Sobra.
Boy pa mage. Go.
Tang ina, pre. Napaka-throw nyo.
Rigiran gambak.
Bumalik kayo. Putang ina. Napaka-throw nyo. Legit. Putang ina.
Pwede nyo i-beam yung mage, pwede nyo i-beam. Kuha kayo isang arcane.
Ay, hindi. More than, ano pa.
Careful. Now.
Pasok ko na ito.
Wak.
Takit yan, pag binim nyo.
Amo na rigiran
Tang
gambak.
ina kasi.
Mamatay na yun.
Ang bobo nyo kasi. Putang ina, pre. Legit.
2 minutes.
Nakakainis. Legit, pre.
Kaklap sila rito, natural clap.
Ang ina, pre. Ang
Focus.
bobo nun.
Focus on ng git.
Mag-engage na ta.
Ang bobo nyon, pre. Legit. Nakakainis kayo. Ang ina.
Lakas ng kite.
3. Nice one. Nice go. Bro mo. Pre. Okay. Nice one. Patay.
Sarap, Yabi.
Sige.
Loot everyone.
Focus on ng gate.
Yan yung mga down.
Tang ina.
Rigir, boys. Rigir. Nag-reset yung mage. Nag-reset yung mage. Nice.
Nice one.
Nag-reset yung mage, madaming down.
1 minute.
Bago.
Change boots passive.
Focusan yung...
Wag ka na.
Yung
Bato mo
gates,
yung ano.
yung gate.
Mount. Bato mo yung mount.
Mga mount.
Pasok pa sa lowlet.
Care lang.
No, sa Lavig ko.
1 minute na lang.
Hindi, wag
Looking,
muna, wag
looking,
muna.
looking,
Go
looking,
na,
Muna,
looking.
hintay mo, pre. Wag muna. Layo, west side. Run, west side. Sige, pre, mag-reset na yan, mag-reset na. West side, 3, 2, 1, sige, pre, go mo. Banata mo. Ay, tangina, mag-reset na yan, pre, mag-reset na yan.
1 minute.
Hindi ako makalabas
Bilisan mo.
par. Yung gate.
Patay
Ay,
siya
na
lang.
mga gear to. Alatang mahihirap. Naghihirap. Ina.
Tira dia. Yun, destroy.
Praise the Lord. Tangina.
Nabatukan ako, pre. May nabatukan pa ako.
Ay, nag-reset na. Nice.
Bro, please, next time, wag niyong gagawin yun. Putang ina, sobrang...
Kaya nyo lang yung mga ditak nasa harap, gago.
Next time, pre, sobrang greedy nyo, putang ina. Legit.
Nag-clump eh.
Ang ina,
Oy, wag mo na alam.
porkit ba madaming down, pre? Porkit ba madaming down, kailangan nyo magbabad. Putang ina, pre. Patay nyo.
Ina.
Gutan. Nice.
Putang ina, pre, next time, wag naman ganun, please lang.
Ibago may 1 mil. Dir, burning.
Okay, patayin niya yan. Patayin niya yan, Sir Jeff.
Panigas.
Patayin niya yan.
Ay,
Ina mo, pinatay ka ng ano. Sabi dito, icicle.
bago napasukan ko yung ano, hindi ako makalabas doon.
First time mo lumot ng 7M, no? Tapos yung 7M na yan, sa kakampi mo lang.
May nakakuha ng perma ko. Putang.
Guys,
Ewan ko.